Yep, you seen that title in the thumbnail. I know you saying them tacos looking good. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to make these Rotel tacos. Let's jump into it. As usual, to get started, we're gonna prepare our ground beef. We're gonna start breaking it up as it cooks, and we're gonna cook this all the way through until it's brown. We're gonna add our dry seasoning, our salt, seasoned salt, onion powder, and garlic powder, and continue to cook this. All right, so it looks like our meat is done right here. I'm gonna pause our heat and I'm gonna drain some of the excess fat off of it. If you don't have that much fat, you don't have to drain it. I have a little bit in mind, so I'm gonna drain just a little bit off of it. All right, so now our fat has been drained. I'm gonna unpause our heat. I'm gonna add some beef broth and our taco seasoning. And we're gonna cook this for a couple of minutes. Let the meat absorb that taco seasoning and that beef broth just until the mixture slightly thickens. All right, so it looks like we're there. We're gonna pause our heat. I'm gonna transfer our meat over to a bowl and we're gonna come right back. All right, so now we're gonna start preparing our Rotel sauce. We're gonna unpause our heat. We're gonna start adding our Velveeta cheese here. And you wanna make sure this is on low because you don't want to burn your cheese as it melts. Now you wanna add your Rotel tomatoes along with the juice, and we're just gonna get this mixed in and allow it to cook until all the cheese is melted. Guys, you want to continue to stir it to make sure it doesn't burn. Now, if you want to add some milk to kind of thinning it out, if you need to, doesn't look like I'm gonna need any milk in mine, so I'm gonna leave my milk out. This looks like the consistency that I want. Still got a couple more minutes till all that cheese totally melts. All right, guys, so it looks like we are there. All our cheese is melted. We're gonna turn off our heat. We're gonna head over to our cutting board and build out our tacos. There you have it, Rotel taco. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can test these babies out. I'm sweating and I'm hungry, let's go. All right, we back in here, quality control. You already know I got Leah with me when we having those tacos. She comes around. Look at these Rotel tacos, guys. Man, listen, y'all already know these groceries. All right, you ready? Let's go ahead and grab us one. Man, look at that right there. Guys, I'm gonna bring that to the front of the congregation. Take a look at that. All right, you ready? Let's try it out. You know what I want to say. Groceries. And I'm using that spicy jalapeno cheese taco shell. It's great too. You don't have to use it, but keeping in alignment with that Rotel, some of that spice, great addition to it. What you think about it?
It's good. I like it.
We're not gonna say no much more than that. This is good. Yo, guys, until then, cause we can't stop eating. We just gonna be biting, crunching, talking, crunching, biting, talking, and we ain't got time for that. We wanna eat. So, till then, y'all already know who I am. Y'all know who she is, and we are. And we are.
We are always everything.
Man, look how long it took her to get that, man. She act like won't do this every week, man. So let's try it again. You already know who I am. You know who she is, and we are.
All wings, everything.
And remember, we're not chefs.
We just cook a lot.
and we are out.
Peace.
Peace.